What's up, hallway gang? It's your boy B Hall back at you again with another video. Make sure y'all hit that like, share, subscribe button. As again, I'm gonna put it on my screen to show y'all exactly what to do because it's free. It's very free. Remember, hit that like, share, subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this video, I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to clean a pair of kicks. So I got the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners, and if you look at them. Jeez. But this was my fault, but these shoes have been this dirty since the summertime. I just haven't worn them. But I figured, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to show y'all, you know, how I get down with them. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I trip more so to my right. And that's why the right shoe has more mud and dirt on it too. But, you know, being that I have a lot of shoes, I'm just, that's why I didn't clean them. So I'm gonna just do this video, show y'all what I'm using. I'm actually using a shoe cleaner kit, even though I'm not gonna say the name because they're not paying me to do this. But this was the cheapest one I found. I got this cleaner kit from what you call it, Snipes or whatever. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the laces out of them. You know, take the laces out of them and. Alright, I had to shoot my thumbnail picture real quick. Anyway, like I said, first thing you want to do is just take out the shoestrings and soak them in some hot water. You know, I got my hot water right here. This is like this is the way I clean my shoes. But if I ever have to clean, which is very rare, because you know I got so many kicks or whatever. But that's neither here nor there. So take these boys out real quick. I'm just gonna clean this one. I'm gonna clean the other one off camera. So I'm gonna clean this one. This one is toe up. Alright, so first thing you wanna do is you know, get your solution, put a few squirts in your water. Then they only gave me one brush, so which is this one. I don't have no shoe trees or nothing like that, so I'm just showing y'all how your boy clean them. So then you just want to just start scrubbing away. What homeboy say? Once I see the foam, I'm in my zone. You know? And being that these have like different materials on them, you know, the product I'm using, this is the one I've been using even before I started using YouTube, you know. Then I'm in my basement, you know, outside of my shoe room, but I'm in my basement. If you can't tell, you know. Just put a few more squirts in that boy. Put this shoestring in there. Yeah. And there you have it. See, look at them coming white already. See that foam? I'm in my zone. But yeah, see, look at that already. Like a brand new pair of kicks. I don't know why I ain't been did this. I really don't know. Alright, as y'all can see, it's all soaked up and foamed up. Stain going away. I'll go over the stain portion one more time. Over that. I'm gonna go around more of the white outsoles, because you know the uppers are not dirty for real. It's more so the white part, you know, the midsoles or whatever you want to call them. Alright, yes sir. Now I gotta get a towel or, you know, an old t-shirt to just wipe them off. Dang, I done dropped the brush. Drop the brush. Okay. Now, let me go over here and get my old t-shirt. Alright, here we go. My old trusty white tee. Wipe all the soap off. Wipe the suds off of it. And ooh wee, look at that. It's like a brand new pair almost. Yep. And that's all you need to do. If you look in there, in between the shoes, you know, this is the same shoe. If you look in between them, see? My Wave Runners. These probably one of my favorite pair of Yeezys. This particular model and this particular color. Pretty much, it's like a low key. It's like a white Air Force One. It could pretty much go with everything. You know, that's how I look at it. It's like a white Air Force One. It can go with everything. So now you want to. So for the shoestrings, you know, they've been soaking in the water. You just want to grab them. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, just swish them together like that to get all the soot and dirt off and mud and stuff. Just that's all you gotta do. Bam. And to get the soap off of it, you know, just use a towel or old t-shirt or whatever. Just like so. Just do it like this. And do it like this. See? I can feel it coming through. Yeah, so just do that a couple times to get all the soap off of it. See? A couple times. That's how you get it. Yep. And then as you can see, the shoe is not really, it wasn't really bad. It was bad at first, I ain't gonna lie, it was terrible. It was so terrible. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, you know, I'm gonna lace them up, you know, all that. I'm gonna lace them up for y'all, and that's how I do it. That is how I do it. So now I'm about to lace these boys right back up. Shoe is still a little damp, but I don't plan on wearing these shoes no time soon. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just go in. Bam. Go in with the other one. Bam. And just start lacing them. That's how you get them. Yep, that's exactly how you get them. You know what I'm saying? I just want to say shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Keep pushing these videos out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Again, please like, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll start putting more family videos out, you know, as we near the holiday. But I've been putting out shorts too, if y'all ain't, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all noticed that too. So just keep it up. Keep it up, Brian. That's all I say. Keep it up, B. You got it. You got it. All right. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Let me tie these boys up real quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See? There you go. The finished project. The finished project compared to the dirty one. This is the before. The before one was way more messed up than these, but this is the before shoe, and this is the after shoe. The before, and then the after. I mean the after. And that's that. But that's all I got for y'all, man. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Checking out with another video, hallway gang. Peace.